come here. No, here. No, here.
Oh, it looks good. You buy it?
No, we made it.
How do you make it?
Today, I'm going to show you 4 real factory methods that most customers never see. Before we start, I want to make one thing clear. This video is not about comparing which method is better or cheaper. Every construction method has its own purpose, different market, different price levels, different target users. Today, I'm simply showing how different purposes are made in real factories, so you can better understand the craftsmanship behind the product. 1. You've probably seen this style everywhere, horizontal quilted puffer jacket. Most people think the factory makes this size, but actually, many factories buy the fabric already quilted. Specialized mills use huge machines to quilt the pattern in advance, and they are usually made in fixed repeat patterns, usually 5 cm or 10 cm spacing or diamond. So for clothing factories like us, we simply cut and sew. Sounds easy, right? Yes, it's the time, but there's a catch. If it's used as a lining, it is fine, but if made as the shell, when we cut garments, we must follow those fixed lines. Otherwise, the jacket looks uneven. It means it usually causes more material waste. But here is the interesting part. What if we want more flexibility? That's where method 2 comes in. Cut the lining padding fabric first, using the template to quilt the padding. It's more automatic. Split and cut the edge. So, what's the advantage here? Less waste, more flexibility, and better pattern control. But it also means the factory must be more capable. Method 3. This one is completely different. Looks like down jackets, right? But this one uses padding. And the method very similar to down jackets. First, we sew the fabric into a closed shape, but leave a small opening. Then we inject a precise amount of filling using a filling machine. After filling, we seal the opening. Then quilting the pattern, you can see we're also using a template machine. And finally, we gently pat the filling to make it evenly distributed. That's how we get the soft, premium look. And method 4. This one is interesting, because the channels are already built into the fabric, usually made as double layer or multi-layer materials. So what do? Simply fill the padding inside, then seal the opening. But there is another detail most people don't know. Some channel fabric are grouped together, which means after many washes they may separate. Others are woven together, much stronger, much more durable, and of course, more expensive. So next time, when you see 2 puffer jackets that look similar, but have very different prices, you will know why. Not all puffers are made the same, and sometimes what's inside matters more than what you see. If you found this useful, subscribe, because next time I'll show you why some puffers leak filling. And trust me, that problem is more common than you think.